Let's start with the estimated sales of this book with a BSR, a bestseller rank of 4,000. That equates to about 784 books per month or 52 books per day. With a KDP royalty for a black ink book with 102 pages, selling at $5.99 gives us an Amazon royalty of $1.44. $1.44 times 784 of those books sold every month is $1,128.96. Take a look inside of this book and see how simple this book is. When you get inside, it is simply images, black and white images of animals that are ready to be colored. You can see here this book is a bestseller. It has 5 stars, 312 ratings, a 4004 BSR. Again, that 4000 BSR. If we chart that out over the year for this book, you can see this book started doing really well in November all the way through Christmas. It did spike, or it did go up in BSR, meaning less sales through January. But you can see around mid-January, as they played with the pricing, the book came back to life and the BSR dropped again and started selling. So what does that mean? It means this book is evergreen. This book will sell well year round and also very well during the holidays, specifically Q4 during Christmas. When we looked inside this book, we saw these are simple black and white line drawings. So where do you typically get these? Typically you can find these on Creative Fabrica, but as we all know, over at Creative Fabrica, those images get used again and again. So there's a link in the description. It'll take you over to this page. These are commercial licensed images that are sold inside of these bundles and these packs. They are limited in number that are sold simply because most people never see them. Most people that buy them never use them. But this also gives us the ability to drill down or go even deeper and get more targeted when we create our book. Take a look at this first pack. Stuffed Animal Toys Coloring Pack, 30 high quality premium black and white line drawings, just like in the best-selling book that we just looked at. Take that over to Amazon. Stuffed Animals Coloring Books, 1 of 16 of over 5,000 results. Here you can see we have coloring books that are selling well in this very specific targeted drilled down niche, or books that are created specifically around the target of stuffed animals. Back to the Done For You Images sales page again. Link in the description to check these out. Pick these up and start creating books. Cute Arctic Animals Coloring Pack. Again, 30 high quality premium black and white line drawings. Arctic Animals Coloring Book for Kids over at Amazon. 1 of 16 of 994 results. Scroll down, you can see that these books again are out there and are selling, and they're very targeted with a very specific type of book, in this case Arctic animals. Back to the animal PLR images. Again, you can pick any of these up and get started creating your books as soon as today with these images after you purchase them. Australian Animals Coloring Pack. Back on Amazon, Australian Animals Coloring Pack for Kids, 1 of 16, 865 results. Scroll down, you can see again, these books are very targeted. These books are selling. These books are something that you can create very easily using these 30 high quality images. And the list of these done for you niches or done for you book topics are already done for you. All you have to do is click the link in the description, check out these coloring images, and you can get started with these books. First Responders Coloring Pack, Pirate Adventure Coloring Bundle, North American Animals Coloring, Bundle of Ready-Made Images, Bugs and Friends Coloring Pack, as well as some unicorns here. And we all know how well unicorns sell year round. And yes, of course, we all know how stiff the competition is in the unicorn coloring books. But if unicorn coloring books sell this well, there's plenty of room for everyone in the unicorn niche. Just get very creative and get unique and create something that will compete with the books that you see are the best sellers, because there's plenty of room between bestseller and the book that never sells. Somewhere in the middle is a BSR that's going to definitely make you some money in this coloring book space. Link in the description, animal PLR images. Pick up one, pick up all of them. Just get some ideas that you see here and outsource them or create your own images. And good luck with creating your books. And get out there and create a real book for a real person that they're going to enjoy and they're going to buy. They're going to recommend to their friends and family, and they're going to buy more and more of the books that you create like these, and you could easily have your own bestseller. That's all I got for you today, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.